Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is kind of exciting because YEOREO has sent us another package that is packed full of goodies. Look at that. Oh my gosh, let's get into it. So, I'm gonna pull this big bad boy out right here. Look at, okay, look at how big this thing is. Sweatpants. Oh my gosh. Yes. I was so excited to find out that YEOREO does like fashion casual clothes, not just like workout gear. Oh my gosh, these are so thick. These are literally so thick. Look at these. Oh, is that fleece lined? Oh, so nice. Oh my gosh, the quality is amazing. Okay, so these are your traditional sweatpants with the elastic waistband and a drawstring. We have pockets and elastic at the ankle, so they are going to hug the ankle. These are so thick and soft filling, and I think everything is a size medium in today's haul. I am so excited. Oh my gosh, these are so thick. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so next thing up is okay, so this is really cool. I think I asked for this in a different color, but it was unavailable, and so I went for the dark gray. So this is actually a reversible shirt, and not like inside out reversible, but like frontwards backwards reversible. So here is the tank top. You see how it has this little slit right here? So it's kind of on the risque side. This top part comes up here, and then it shows your cleavage, and then it covers right there, right? But then you can put it on the other direction, like this, and then it has like an open back, and then the front is completely covered. I think that is so cool. So you hear of like reversible like shirts and jackets and stuff like that, but it's like flipping inside out. So this is really neat. I like how it is shaped to contour and go with your hips. I love that feature. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so here is another pair of sweatpants. I think these are slightly different though. If I'm remembering correctly, they are, okay, so these are the dark gray. They feel just as thick as these, as the first pair. So these have elastic in the waist with a drawstring. We have pockets. We also have these little cargo pocket situation, and these are straight leg, right? So they're like wide straight leg. There's no elastic at the bottom, and the inside is fleece lined as well. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be so cozy. My gosh, this just makes me so happy. And then okay, so this is a, get out of there. This is a mock neck, long sleeve top, again, with the contouring. It looks like it's probably going to be a slight crop, maybe not, maybe not. Okay, and yes, this is a medium as well. I like the mock necks. I like the higher up necks. I love a good turtleneck. Anyways, this is really soft. It feels so nice. I don't know what this material is, but it's really, really nice. Let me go try these on, and I will be right back to tell you my thoughts. Okay, so here is one of the outfits. Even though these are not technically outfits, you can mix and match or whatever. But yeah, these are the wide leg pants. So soft, which I knew they were gonna be. This is the long sleeve top, the last piece that I showed. Like I said, I love the mock neck. I love how it comes up high like this. It is very form-fitting. It seems like it fits the way it should, and so I would say true to size. I love how just fitting it is to the body. And also, I didn't notice this earlier, this is actually double lined. So that's really cool. So it's almost like an insulated situation. Anyways, yeah. So this is the first outfit. Okay, and here's the second one. This is with the reversible top. So cute. Also, I found out you cannot wear a bra with this. Oh, you can see all the lighting from my bathroom hang. I didn't notice that earlier, so if it was like that, I'm sorry. Okay, so you cannot wear a bra with it unless it's a very specific bra, because it literally would show like right here, and that's not cute. But this little top, like with it turned around this way, is like a going out top. Like that would be really cute with like a skirt or something on a date night. The pants, again, are very comfortable, super thick, cuffed ankles, pockets, drawstring. Now, I would say that I think that I would prefer these to be one size bigger. The elastic, it just, I don't know, it seems like there's not a ton of stretch left in them. So I would say on these, go up a size. Now, these are the ones, again, with the ankles cinched. So definitely go up a size on these, because I think, like, they fit. Don't get me wrong, they fit. But for the vibe and the style, I think that these would be better off one size up. And then here is the top flipped around the other direction. It's just like a normal top with the little cutouts in the back. It's still really cute either way. This material is so soft, just like the long sleeve shirt. I don't know what this material is. This is so nice. That is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. What did you think of the haul? Thanks, YEOREO, for sending over these awesome pieces. I love them, and I know so many other people are going to love them as well. Everything that I talked about today will be down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. You can find YEOREO, like they have their own website. They're on Amazon, and they are on the TikTok shop. I will link everything below, and that is it, and I will see you guys later. Bye.